In this video, I'll show you how to set up Hotjar on WordPress. Start by signing into your Hotjar account and create a new site if you haven't already. Enter your website's URL and complete the initial setup. Next, copy the Hotjar tracking code provided for your site. After that, sign into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for WP code, then install and activate the plugin. Now open Code Snippets, click Header and Footer, and paste the Hotjar tracking code into the header section. Click Save Changes when you're finished. Next, return to your Hotjar dashboard and click Verify Installation. Wait a few minutes while Hotjar checks that the tracking code has been detected on your website. Finally, once the installation is verified, you can start using features like heat maps, recordings, and user feedback to analyze how visitors interact with your site. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Hotjar on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.